Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the colors Quinacridone Purple Blue and Permanent Blue Violet by Van Gogh. Unfortunately, Van Gogh's watercolors are expensive and sometimes it's not worth buying the color if you don't use it much. So, let's try to create this beautiful color that I like to use in my floral watercolors. My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out if we can do it or not. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description. To complete this challenge, we'll use watercolor, brush, color wheel, and a small white porcelain plate. Let's start by analyzing the color Quinacridone Purple Blue. The pigmentation of this color is very light violet, slightly bluish. We're going to use Quinacridone Rose together with Ultramarine Blue. Let's test it. And that's it. This color is so beautiful. Another color that I use a lot is Van Gogh's Permanent Blue Violet. It's a bluish violet. Since I want a lighter violet, I'm going to use Ultramarine Blue and Quinacridone Rose. Now just adjust the amount of blue and pink to get the desired color. Now it's your turn to make these colors. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment too. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.